Hi my beautiful friends, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is a bit different one. It's actually with two purposes. After my vlogs, I have been getting a lot of requests on how I do my makeup like when I'm traveling, and I also wanted to share with you all that what I carry in my makeup travel bag. So it's basically two purposes and one video. And also I have set up two cameras today. One is right here and the another one is right here, so I'm not sure how this is going to work out, but I want to try something new angles, because I know it's very monotonous posting videos in one particular angle, and just I just want to bring up something different for you guys. So this is it. So I'm sure there's going to be a little bit of difference between the clippings of both the cameras, as you know, it's that one is a professional camera and this one is my mobile camera. So I hope everything goes out well. So let's get started. And the very first thing that I would like to share with you all is this is the size of my kit when I travel. Like I literally don't carry any palettes, and I just carry one brush, that's it. So this is it. So let's get started, because I just can't keep telling you all what all is in there. So I'm just gonna use everything from this kit. I mean, like, I know that's too much, because see, when we are traveling, we're taking lots of pictures, and of course we want our pictures to come out really well, because thanks to the social media, Facebook, Instagram and Snapchatting and so many other things, right? So that's the reason why, all this. So let's get started. And the very first thing that I would always have in my kit is a moisturizer. So I like to carry my Neutrogena Rapid Wrinkle Repair Moisturizer, and definitely my moisturizer depends on the type of season I'm traveling. Like, it's summers right now, so I'm gonna be definitely carrying this one. And if it's winters, I'm definitely gonna carry a heavy moisturizer. So I'm just gonna take this one, a little bit is too much. I'm just gonna apply it on these areas of my face. So the next thing is my primer, and a primer is really essential when you're traveling. It's also going to blur out fine lines and gonna minimize the appearance of large pores like this. It also has an applicator inside. I just take it, I swirl and take the product. I kind of apply it on my T-zone, pressing down the product. And the most important thing, particularly for me, is my orange color corrector. I will always have this one in my kit, whatever it is. So this goes on to all my problem areas where I have kind of darkness and discoloration. Now when I'm traveling, I like to carry some stick foundations. Like this one's my Bobbi Brown foundation, stick foundation, warm natural. Stick foundations stay really well, so that's the reason I like to carry this one. Then I don't carry any concealer. I carry my another foundation, which is this Kryolan Supra color foundation, and this shade is 626B, exactly the same shade of my skin, so it just helps me blend everything together. So once I'm done with that, I do it the other way around. I just carry one brush. Now what I do is, before I set my foundation, I like to apply my highlighter, which is the Landscape highlighter. And it's been like, since I've got this highlighter, I've been using this highlighter almost all the time, because it's really fine. It's not gonna be like there's glitter on your face. Like, that's what I don't like about highlighters. Literally, it is so damn fine, and it's just gonna give you that nice shine on the face. So that is what I want. So I'm just gonna take this and gonna apply it So once I'm done with that, I'm gonna take my powder foundation, which is my MAC Studio Fix in NC35. And there's a small tip: when you're traveling, it's always better to place your applicator on the top, so that when it shutters and dams or something else, your powder foundation will not break. And I like to use the same applicator to apply it on my face, because it gives me even more coverage that way. And when I move out of the place, I take this along with me just for some touch up. So after I'm done with setting my foundation in place, I'm gonna be using my blush. So I generally carry one blush, so I'm just gonna use the same brush, take my blush on that, and I'm gonna apply this. Then I also like to carry my bronzer. So this is the bronzer that I carry because it also has a brush in it. And yes, I do it after I'm done with my blush. So just on this area, my hairline, sides of my nose, jawline area. Okay, I'm a huge fan of filling in my eyebrows, so I like to carry my Benefit brow pencil, which is in the shade number 6. So this is perfect for me. So I'm just quickly gonna fill in my eyebrows. I definitely don't do any eye makeup when I'm traveling, but if I kind of have to do, I just use my blusher and the same brush which is there. I just take a little bit of that and I just do this. And then what I do is I take my same highlighter and I apply this on my eyelid area like this, also on the inner corners and my brow bone area. So once I'm done with all this, now my eye makeup depends on how much time I have. If I have very little time, I'm just gonna apply my Kajal and just smudge it out, apply some mascara and I'm good to go. But if I have time, I do a nice winged eyeliner, and either it's going to be another type of eyeliner which I totally love doing. So I'm just gonna show you that one. I just take my Avon Extra Lasting Kajal in black, which also has a smudger on the other side. So I just take this one, and what I do is I apply this on the outer area of my eye like this. Other side of the pencil, which is the smudger, I take it and I kind of smudge it out. Then I also carry my L'Oreal Kajal Magique. So what I do is I take this pencil and I draw out my wing, and then again I kind of smudge it out. Then I like to use my Chambor Smooth On eyeliner, and then I extend my inner corner. So this L'Oreal Kajal Magique that goes on my upper waterline. So this is it, how it looks. So the next thing that I have in my kit is L'Oreal Telescopic Carbon Black Mascara. So this is it for my eyeliner. And then I have my lip balm, which I actually applied off before filming. I just forgot to show you guys maybe. I will also have my Vaseline in it. So this is the Vasocare Herbal Petroleum Jelly. And why I carry the Emami one is because it has some fragrance in it. So this is what I use as my moisturizer for my hands. And then I like to carry my eyeliner corrector. Then I have a few lipsticks. It depends, like this will be a long lasting lipstick, which is my Anastasia Beverly Hills in soft lilac. Then I carry one a red color. Then I like to carry my all-time favorite Rebel by MAC. I just love this one. And the another favorite, which is MAC Chili. Like, it gives an orangish color, so orange. And then one light pink, which is MAC Mare. So this is it. This is what I carry for my lipstick. So I'm gonna apply this one for today, and I just love this one. So what I like to do is I also like to carry my wet wipes. So these wet wipes, what I do is like I take my makeup remover and I open it up. I open it up this way. Just shake my makeup remover. That's what we need to do with this Garnier Micellar water. And I just pour some of that in my wet wipes. Yeah, so that's it. So now these regular wet wipes have become makeup removing wipes for you guys. So this is it. This is what you need to, you know, just take your makeup off and then wash off your face. So this is it. Summertime. Let's pack your bags. Let's move out and, you know, just take some help from this video. So thank you so much for watching. Bye.